What's up, beautiful people? My name is Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be cleaning, rearranging, decluttering, and organizing my bathroom. If you want to see how I do that, stick around. So this is what my bathroom is currently looking like. I know. Yeah, you see all these on the floor. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, but that's the whole purpose of today's video. We're going to clean that bad boy. Okay, you see the mess? You see that? Yes. Hot mess. Now we're going to start by taking out every single thing. Okay, that's the decluttering part. Take out everything. Can you imagine how much stuff I had in there? Take everything out. All done. Finally, taking out the things from the bottom. Now we're gonna take out the things on top, okay? Speeding through this process. Right before we get into the cleaning part of the video, let me show you guys what I picked up from my favorite stores: Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, and the Dollar Tree. Don't you sleep on the Dollar Tree, baby. They have some gems in there. So these are the things I got from the Dollar Tree, and some of it is also from TJ Maxx, Ross, and Burlington. Okay. And I got some more stuff right here. These are the rest of the things that I got. Yep. So these are the products that I use to clean my bathroom with, okay? Most of them are from the Dollar Tree. So these is what it's looking like right now. It's practically done. These are my extra stuff, you know, toothbrushes, toothpaste, essential oils, toilet papers. These are my combs, my hair dryer, my lint remover from my jacket, you know, extra toothpaste, pads, extra bath bombs, body stuff, hair stuff over there. These are my gels, my scissors, my extra stuff for my hair. Yeah, this is what it's looking like over there. I got some hair clips in those little clear containers right there. Hair growth oils, spray bottle, conditioner. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Now let's go ahead for the finished product.